toy to explore. Hey Lauvies, Eli here, ready to vibe and spill the tea. And yep, I'm back. It's been a while. Did you miss me? Because I definitely missed hanging out with you and talking about all things pleasure. In this video, we're breezing through something that's making waves in the world of clit stimulation. We'll be unboxing the chic and travel-friendly Satisfier Lauvies. A stylish yet powerful clit sucker that promises to bring pleasure wherever you go. But what makes this little cutie stand out from the rest? Stick around and you'll see why it's becoming a fan favorite. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you're always in the loop for all things sexual wellness. Allow me to introduce you the Satisfier Lauvies, a compact clit sucker that delivers powerful air pulse sensations in a sleek, travel-friendly design. Part of Satisfier's iconic line, this toy brings intense, touch-free pleasure to your fingertips, making it ideal for solo play or spicing things up on the go. If you're after a toy that's both cute and capable, the Lauvies might just be your favorite new companion. Alright, let's talk about the design real quick. The Lauvies has a clean, compact look with a slight curve that fits comfortably in your hand. It's super lightweight, it's easy to maneuver but still gives enough pressure where it counts. And with its smooth, matte finish, it feels just as good to hold as it does to use. Now, let's dive into what makes the Lauvies so special. This love toy is packed with air pulse technology, giving you that irresistible touch-free suction sensations that have you hooked. With 11 intensities, you can go from a soft tease to full throttle pleasure in seconds. It's also IPX7 waterproof, so whether you're in a shower, bath, or just want to add a little splash to the fun, you're good to go. And no need to look for batteries since it's USB rechargeable, just plug it in and you're all set for the next round of fun. Now let's get down to business. I'll walk you through how to use the Satisfier Lauvies step by step. Step 1. Prep the toy. Make sure it's fully charged before the fun begins. You don't want it dying mid-session, we don't need that kind of heartbreak. Step 2. Set the mood. Pick a comfy private space where you can really relax. Put up some scented candles or those silky smooth sheets if you want to even amp up the vibe. Step 3. Lube up. Add a bit of water-based lube to your clit. Not only does it boost sensation, but it helps the suction head seal properly for those delicious air pulses. Step 4. Get into position. It's up to you if you want to lie down or recline a bit, as long as you can comfortably access your clitoris. Step 5. Power on. Hold that power button for a few seconds until it lights up. She's awake and ready to party. Step 6. Find your pace. Tap through the 11 intensity levels to see what hits just right. After that, gently place the tip over your clit. You can keep it still or move it around to explore what feels best. Start slow, then build up if you're feeling spicy. Step 7. Clean up. Once you're floating with post-orgasm glow, turn it off, rinse it with water and mild soap, or the Love It Spray and Play Sex Toy Cleaner. Pat it dry with a towel or let it air dry for a few minutes. Step 8. Store her right. Keep your toy in a cool, clean spot. A velvet or satin pouch will help it stay in top shape for your next session. And boom, you're officially a pro with the Lauvies. Well, isn't this toy a breezy little treat? Before we wrap things up, here's a quick review of the Satisfier Lauvies and who I think will totally enjoy this sultry little gem. Many users praise its compact design and strong performance. One reviewer mentioned, it fits nicely in the hand and does the job. New users appreciate its gentle yet effective stimulation. A user noted, wonderful little air pulsator. Gentle, relaxing. If you want harder pressure, get the Lauvies. Its size makes it ideal for on-the-go pleasure. A reviewer shared, small compact shape, ideal to take somewhere discreet. If you're someone who loves discreet yet powerful pleasure, this toy's compact design and air pulse technology makes it a perfect match. It's especially great for beginners who want to explore clit stimulation without overwhelming intensity. Its travel-friendly size and discreet build makes it an easy addition to your love toy collection. And that's a wrap on our review of the Satisfier Lauvies. Whether you're new to clit suckers or wanted a pleasure upgrade, this toy definitely delivers a new kind of experience. Check out this love toy under our Satisfier collection, available now on our website. That's www.loveit.ph, Shopee, and Lazada. You will find all the links right in our bio. Don't forget to follow us on our official social media pages for more tips on sexual wellness. Until next time, lovies, stay safe, stay satisfied, and see you soon. Bye!